Hello students, I am your English mentor and today I have come with a very interesting topic and it's called the alphabet song. Now, I know that you already know how many alphabets do we have. We have 26 alphabets and now we are going to read a poem just related to it. So, trace the following alphabets using different crayons. So, quickly take out your crayons and trace all the alphabets which are given in the book so that you get to know what are these alphabets. Moving on, we will start the topic now. So, A ate an apple. What did A do? The letter A ate an apple. And then B bounded a ball. So, B actually played with the ball. And then C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. So C had cut the carrot and D dressed the doll. So what did these four letters do? A actually ate the apple, B bounded a ball, and C cut means to slice it, the carrot, and then D dressed the doll. And then E eats eggs and F falls flat. So what did E do? E eats the eggs and F falls flat. He just falls flat on the floor. So G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. So what is G doing? G is growing the grapes and H is also hanging the hat on its head. And then I is on an island, J jumps on logs. So I is on an island. Now what is an island? Island is a place which is all surrounded by water. We call it an island. So I is on island and J jumps on logs. So logs are pieces of wood. And what are they doing? J is jumping on those logs. So K keeps kittens and L lifts logs. So what is K doing? K is just keeping the kittens and after that the L also is picking up all of these logs. M makes mistakes and N needs a nurse. So M always makes mistakes and N needs a nurse. So O obeys orders and P patches a purse. So what is O doing? O is obeying all the orders. It means that O is following all the orders and instructions given to it. And what is P doing? P is just patching a purse. And now Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose. So Q queued. Queued means to make a line, right? So Q was in the queue and it did it very quickly. And then R rolled. What did R do? R just rolled and rose. Rose means to stand up. And then S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. So S spoke very softly and slowly. And T, what did T do? T just touched his toes. Moving on. U uses an umbrella. V uses a violet van. W washes windows. So, what are these letters doing now? U is actually using an umbrella and V is actually using a violet van. Violet is a color and that is the van which V has. So, W washes the windows. The windows which are there, W is just washing them. And X hides in boxes. So what is X doing? It is hiding in the boxes. Boxes are the carton boxes that we have. And then Y says yummy and U. What did Y say? So Y ate something and loved it. So Y says yummy and U. So Z says zigzag zoom. Hooray, we are through. So what did Z say towards the end? It said zigzag zoom. So zigzag means to go in a different manner. This is called zigzag. And now we are through. Why? Because we just understood all the roles and functions of these alphabets. I really hope that you loved this short and beautiful poetry. And now we are going to attempt a few exercises just related to this poetry. Are you ready to start off these exercises with me? Yes. First up we have these MCQ questions. You will be given one statement which has three options. Now out of these three options, only one option is correct. So are you going to help me identify what is that right option? Yes. So dash comes after C. What is that letter which comes after C? It's called D. So we will write or mark D here. And then dash comes before U. Now you will have to think a little that what is that letter which comes before U, and for that you will have to think of all the alphabets that you have already learned. Let's start together. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So what was the letter that just came before U? R, S, T. So what is the right answer? The right answer is T, because what comes after T? T is followed by U, and what comes before U? It is T. So we can also write T here and D here. So then we have I, J, K. What is the letter going to be like? I and straight off J. Why? Because A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So J is the right option. And now we will fill in these blanks. So dash dressed like a doll. Who is dressed like a doll? It is D. So we will write D here. Dash says yummy. So Y says yummy. C cuts a carrot. So we will mark C here. C cuts a carrot. And now you are going to attempt a few questions in the book itself. Moving on, we will see some more questions. So it is called the word building. Match the word in column A with their opposite meaning in column B. Now you are given two columns, column A, column B. So you are supposed to mark the words which are exact opposite of the word given. So the first word we have fat. What is the word which is exactly opposite to it? So fat, below. No. Fat, bad. No. Fat and young. No, even that is not right. So fat and thin. Yes, it is correct. So we will mark fat and thin. Hot and cold. So the options are going to be marked like this. Then we have good and bad. So we are going to mark it like this. Old and young. And lastly we have above and below. These are the options which are marked like this. Moving on, we will see some more exercises. But before that, we will understand a few topics about grammar. So, look at the pictures given below and read the words. She says, I. She says, this is you. She says that he is a boy or he. She says, she. She says, it. And she says, we. So, what is she doing or what is she saying? When I talk, I refers to the person who is talking for himself. You is for you and he is for a boy, she is for a girl. It is used for animals or birds. And then we use we when there are so many people with me, right? And then we are going to fill in the blanks now. First up we have Dash playing with the doll. So we are going to write she is playing with the doll. Dash loves ice cream. So we will write he loves ice cream. Dash have a football. I have a football. This is what the boy says. Dash love dancing. We love dancing. And this is how we attempted all the parts of it. Moving on, you are going to pronounce all of these words by yourself at least for once, and then you are going to complete this writing picture by yourself. Towards the end, you are going to observe the pictures on the left and complete the drawings as well as color them. So these are the images that you are given, and this is the base structure that you have. You are supposed to complete this entire fish and also color it. So this is the exercise which you are given for today. And with this, I really hope that you understood this poetry very well and you were able to understand what each letter does. So with this, we have come to an end. I really hope to see you super soon with one more new topic. Till then, take care, and also do not forget to share this poetry with your friends and family. Now, I'll take my leave and see you super soon. Take care and bye-bye.